A very good morning to all. Today we'll do the exercise part of chapter number 13, that is occupations. So we'll continue from page number 84. Here you can see chapter checklist. So you have to tick the concepts which you have understood. Now let's move on to the exercise part. Here you can see the first exercise is tick the correct option. The first one is who travels to outer space, and the given options are A. astronaut, B. doctor, C. soldier. So you have to choose the correct one. Second one, who helps us in the matters related to law? Options are A. pilot, B. lawyer, C. police. Third one, who serves us food in a restaurant? The options are A. mechanic, B. engineer, C. waiter. So you have to choose the correct one. Fourth one, who gathers news? Options are A. chemist, B. journalist, C. politician. Fifth one, who designs a road? Options are A. teacher, B. musician, C. engineer. Now let's check the answers. So here first one, who travels to outer space? Correct answer is astronaut. Second one, who helps us in the matters related to law? The correct answer is lawyer. Third one, who serves us food in a restaurant? The option is C. waiter. Fourth one, who gathers news? The correct answer is journalist. Fifth one, who designs a road? The correct answer is engineer. So this was the first exercise. Now let's move on to the second one. Here the question is write true or false. Here the first one is a garbage collector catches a fish. Second one, a lawyer flies a plane. Third one, a politician writes or creates instructions for computers. Fourth one, a secretary takes care of another person's routine work. Fifth one, a programmer repairs machines. So you have to tell whether it's true or false. Let's check the answers. So here the first one, a garbage collector catches fish. It's false. Second one, a lawyer flies a plane. This is also false. Third one, a politician writes or creates instruction for computers. This is also false. Fourth one, a secretary takes care of another person's routine work. This is true. And the last one, fifth one, a programmer repairs machines. This is false. So this was the second exercise. Now let's move on to the next one, that is third exercise. Here the question is fill in the blanks. So the first one, an occupation helps us to earn a dash. Second one, certain occupations which need special training are known as dash. Third one, a dash writes instructions for computers. Fourth one, a dash assists people in matters related to law. Fifth one, in sports, a dash trains, instructs and guides a team. Now let's check the answers. So here the first one, an occupation helps us to earn a living. So living is the answer. Second one, certain occupations which need special trainings are known as professions. Third one, a programmer writes instructions for computers. Fourth one, a lawyer assists people in matters related to the law. Fifth one, in sports, a coach trains, instructs and guides a team. So this was the third exercise. Now let's move on to the next one. Here the fourth exercise is answer the following questions. So the first question is what is meant by earn a living? The correct answer is when people grow up, they have to work to earn a living. The money which we need to earn in order to live comfortably is called living. Second one, why do people need work? And the correct answer is people do different kinds of work in order to earn money. Third one, name two professions. The answer is the names of two professions are doctor and lawyer. Fourth one, who is an engineer? The correct answer is an engineer designs and builds things such as roads, railways, bridges or machines. Fifth one, who collects our garbage? The correct answer is a garbage collector collects our garbage. Now, let's move on to the next exercise, that is think it over. And here the question is, we should respect all occupations. What will you do if you notice anyone from a particular occupation being disrespected? Here two options are there which you have to choose. A. Ignore. B. Report the incident to an elder so that they intervene. Let's check the answer. Here B option is correct. That is, report the incident to an elder so that they intervene. So this was the fifth exercise. Now let's move on to the next one, that is activity corner. And here you can see many pictures. You have to read the text given with each image and put the picture story in sequence. This you have to do it by yourself and then submit in Teams. Now here you can see a question. The question is, what did you learn from this activity? So you have seen that occupations are interconnected. That means a person depends upon another person to produce a thing. So here we understood that all the occupations are connected to each other. Now next one, life skill activity. Here the question is, make a list of the occupations of some people at home and in school. And the correct answer is, at home you can see domestic help, cook, chauffeur, security guard. And at school you can see bus driver, helper, teacher, principal and gardener. Now here this word, that is chauffeur, means a person who drive your private car or hired taxi. So in this chapter we discussed about the occupations and different types of occupations. Next, in page number 87 you can see term 1 practice paper, and in page number 89 you can see term 2 practice paper. So you have to solve these two papers and then you have to submit in Teams. In this class we have completed the last chapter of social science and we have covered all the chapters of grade 3 social science. I hope everyone understood it, and if you have doubts regarding any chapter, any topic or any exercise part, you can send your doubts through school WhatsApp number or you can also submit in Teams. That's all for today. Thank you.